Hello everyone. Thanks for joining us at Easy English for Better You. Today I have a question for you. Do you want to learn new things? Like new English words? Of course you do. But do you feel lazy sometimes? Is your willpower not so strong? If you said yes, this video is for you. Today I will show you how to learn new words easily. You can do it without strong willpower. You can do it even if you are lazy. By the end of this video, you will learn a secret method. With this method, your brain learns without you even trying. I will explain the science behind it at the end, so please watch until the end. The problem with big plans. First, let's think about the past. You wanted to learn English. You made a big plan. You said, I will learn 20 words every day. Maybe for one day you did it. Maybe for a week. But then you got tired. You got busy. And you stopped. Does this sound like your story? It's my story too. It's the story of many people. We believe that big results require big efforts. But often, our big plans just lead to big failures. So what is the solution? The solution is a new way of thinking. The echo method. I call this new way the echo method. E-C-H-O. An echo is a sound that comes back to you. This method makes words come back to you all day long. And it is very, very easy. There are only 2 steps. Step 1, connect. The first step is to connect. You connect a new word with a short, silly story. Your brain loves stories, especially silly ones. Let's try an example. The word is enormous. It means very, very large. You can think, the mouse is enormous. It is a monster mouse. The image of an enormous mouse is strange. Your brain will remember it. This takes only 1 second. Do not think too much. Fast and funny is best. This is the only work you need to do. Just 1 second of fun. Step 2, echo. This is where the magic happens. You make the words follow you. You put them in your world. But here is the most important rule. Do not try to remember them. Let me say it again. Do not try to remember the words. So how do you do it? You can choose a digital way or an analog way. For a digital echo, use your phone. Take a picture of your words for the day. Make it your phone's lock screen. You look at your phone many times a day. You will see the words. But don't try to study them. Just see them, like a beautiful picture. For an analog echo, use small pieces of paper. Write your words on them. Put them everywhere in your home. Put one on your refrigerator. Put one on your bathroom mirror. Put one on your front door. And here is a special tip. Put one on your math book. This sounds strange, right? An English word on a math book? That is exactly the point. When your brain expects math, it is in math mode. But suddenly, it sees an English word. This gives your brain a small, fresh surprise. This little shock wakes your brain up. It makes the memory stronger. The real enemy of learning. Now, how many words should you learn a day? 10 words? 20 words? No, that is too many. 5 words? Still too many. Start with 3 words a day. Just 3. You might think 3 is too slow. Let's do some simple math. 3 words a day is over 1,000 words in a year. In 3 years, that's 3,000 words. Do you know what 3,000 words is? It is the number of words most native speakers use for daily conversation. With 3,000 words, you can live your life in English. But I know what you're thinking. I want to learn faster. I want to turn 3 years into 1 year. Okay, let's be honest for a moment. Let's look back at your last 3 years. You wanted to learn English. You made a big plan. You said, I will learn 100 words in 1 day. So where are you now? Do you know 1,000 more words than you did 3 years ago? Are you speaking more fluently? The biggest obstacle in your English learning is not the language. The biggest obstacle is you. It is your own desire, your wish to do too much too fast. Life does not give you what you want just because you're greedy. Learning is the same. The real path to success is not a big jump. It is a series of small, simple, steady steps. Every single day. Why this method works? The brain science. Now it is time for the secret. Why does this lazy method work so well? It's simple brain science. First is the mere exposure effect. Your brain likes things it sees often. When you see a new word many times, it becomes a friend. It is no longer a strange thing to study. It becomes a familiar part of your world. Second is implicit learning. This is silent learning. Your brain learns even when you don't try. When you just see the word on the refrigerator or on your math book, your brain takes a picture. It saves the word as an image. This happens without stress, without effort. So stop fighting your brain. Create a smart environment. Let your phone and your house be your teachers. You do not need strong willpower. You need a smart system. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Your support helps this channel create more useful content for you. And if you want a PDF summary of today's Echo method, you can join our channel membership. You can find the link in the description below.